Hello guys, welcome to my channel Math Talks. Today I am going to discuss about arithmetic progression. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let us first understand what is the definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence. It's a sequence in which the difference between each and every consecutive terms is a constant. Difference of consecutive terms is a constant. So let us understand this definition by an example. Like for example, taking the example as 1 3 5 7 9 11, and then it's continue up to which you can take it. So here the first term is 1, then second term is 3, third term is 5, then fourth term is 7. See here the difference between each and every consecutive terms is a 2, which is a constant. So it's an arithmetic progression with a common difference is 2, with a common difference is 2. Okay, so this constant which I have said now, this is a constant, the difference is a constant. This difference is called the common difference, which is denoted as D. Okay, in an arithmetic progression we denote the first term as a common difference as D. Okay, so let us understand how to denote the nth term. Okay, so the formula for nth term is Tn. We denote the nth term as Tn, which is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, where n is the number of terms. Okay, so let me make it simple. See here Tn is where n is equal to 1 2 3, which means Tn means T1. T1 is the first term, T2 is the second term, T3 is the third term. Okay, but here I have told already that first term is A, so we can also write T1 as A. Okay, so this one is T2. So T2 means what? T2 means T1 plus common difference D. Then T3, we can write T3 as T2 plus common difference D. But here we have got T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Then we have replaced T2 only, so here the plus D also we have to write, so here plus D. Then see what is there, T1 plus 2D. So we have got T3 is equal to T1 plus 2D. So we have written here T1 is equal to A, so here A plus 2D. Okay, so we can here relate as A plus 3 minus 1 D. Here see that the third term is related as 3 minus 1, so we can write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So let us understand it by taking a question such as, the question is given that find 15th term of an AP which is given as 18 12 6 0, then dot dot dot. Okay, so we are asked to find out the 15th term. So here let us first find out the first term. So here first term a is equal to 18, then common difference d. Common difference d is the second term t2 minus t1. So here I have written a is equal to 18, which is also a is also the first term t1. A is first term, t1 is also the first term. So again I am telling a is equal to t1. Okay, so here common difference d we have to find. So here t2 minus t1 is 18, t2 is 12. So here t2 is 12 minus t1 is 18. Okay, so here the common difference is minus 6. So we have got a is equal to 18, d is equal to minus 6, and here the n number of terms is given 15. So n is equal to 15. So we are asked to find out the we are asked to find out the 15th term. So here we can write t15 is equal to a plus 15 minus 1 into d. Then a is equal to what? A is equal to 18 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into minus 6. Okay, so it is what? 18 minus 84. So here the answer is minus 66. So we have understood how to find out the nth term of an AP. We have also understood the common difference, and we have also seen an example which is I have taken by the question of this one. So we have understood how to find and solve the problem of to finding the nth term of an AP. So now it's time to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so let's denote the sum of n terms of an AP by S. Okay, so let's take an AP as a, which is the first term, then second term a plus d, then third term a plus 2d, and it continues up to let's leave it, let's continue it up to which you can take it. Let's just take the assumption. So here we have denoted the sum as S, and we have the AP as a plus d, a plus 2d. So to find the sum of AP, we have to add the first term, second term, third term up to nth term. Okay, so here I can write a plus n minus 1 d. We have to we have to add the terms up to nth term. So we can write S is equal to a plus d. A is the first term, then a plus d second term, then a plus 2d third term, then in dot up to a plus n minus 1 d, which is the last term, means nth term. So now let's denote the last term. Let's denote the last term as L. Last term, let's denote the last term as L. So by writing the terms of S, in the reverse order, means here if we reverse the S and write in terms of the last term, then we can get as S is equal to L plus, L is the last term, remember it, L plus L minus D, which is the just preceding term of last term, then L plus L minus 2D, then dot we can get see, we have started from the last term, so now we are just forwarding to the first term. So here this one is the last term which I have written, this one is the preceding term which I have written. So in this way we are forwarding to the first term. So we can get here a plus 2d, then a plus d, then plus a. Okay, so we are going to add this two equation, which is this one is 1 and this one is 2. So we are going to add these two terms. So here we can get the left hand side as 2s here, then this one is a plus l, like this, and this one and this one I am adding a plus l, and see this one, this second term a plus d plus l minus d. So common difference is going to cancel each other. So again we are getting a plus l. So in this way up to last term we can get as a plus l. Okay, so we are getting here as n times of a plus l. So here I can write n multiplied by a plus l, or I can write S is equal to n by 2 multiplied by a plus l. Okay, so remember it, I have written the last term as a plus l. Okay, remember a plus l, I have written l as the last term. Remember l is the last term. So last term means Tn is equal to L, which is by formula a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So I can replace L here as n by 2 multiplied by a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here I can write as n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here it is the proof of how to find the nth term and nth terms of an AP, and here the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so this is the formula. We have to remember this formula, and see you in the next video by solving some problems and numericals. If you face any problem, please let me know in the comment section below.